Hi, this is Manoj. I have 6+ years of experience working with Domo. And within those 6 years of experience, I have helped clients from various industries, starting from pharmaceutical to healthcare to construction and many more. And within those industries, I have set up their all internal dashboards, integrating multiple data sources within Domo, setting up right security policies to see their data. And in this video, I'm going to cover what Domo really is. And I myself has completed all the modules present inside Domo University. So let's start the video. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about a BI tool called Domo. First of all, what is Domo? Domo is a cloud-based business intelligence data analytical tool that is used by companies to track their data on a real-time basis. And that data can be anything related to operation, related to their business, related to their employees. So they can build a good dashboard with optimized data model using Domo. And if you see, a lot of big customers are already moving towards using Domo. And you can see the complete list of their customer in their website. Naming a few, companies like Lenovo, Panasonic, Buildcorp, Shopas have already built successful customer stories while using Domo with their data. There are a lot of key features of Domo, which is helping the customers to shift their BI tool to Domo. I feel, on my personal opinion, the number one feature is it provides 1,000+ API connectors available to integrate with Domo. And if you compare that with other conventional BI tools available in the market, they do not have this big list. So if you want to connect your custom data source, naming a few like QuickBooks, Zoho, Facebook, so you either have to use a third-party connector to fetch the data from those data sources and put it into the BI tool that you are using, or you can write your own custom Python script to fetch the data from those API endpoint, put the data inside the database, and then from the database it goes to the BI tool. But in Domo, it already provides all the major data source API connectors, which you can use directly inside their Domo platform to load your data inside their tool and then create an analysis out of it. To show some of the connectors that they have, like Salesforce, SAP, BigQuery, and if you go here, you will be able to see all the list of connectors that they already have. Just to show you some. So for example, QuickBooks. So it has a QuickBooks connector, showing you the Zoho. It has the Zoho CRM connector as well, showing you Facebook. It has the Facebook connector as well. The second feature that I feel is most useful as compared to other BI tool is its flexibility on how you can visualize your data. So you can visualize your one single data point using 10 various charts. So it has that much of flexibility. But in other BI tool, you either have to use the standard charts or you have to do some custom custom code to create a custom chart and then show that as you want. The third feature, but not least, is this mobile app, which you can use to access the Domo dashboards while you're traveling, or let's say you do not have access to your laptop, so you can simply download the Domo app and then you can access all your business dashboards in that app and see what your business is doing. A lot of big companies are shifting to Domo because the amount of certification it holds, certification and compliance, because when you deal with a lot of sensitive data which you want to visualize, you need the system that is visualizing your data to be, to be more compliant or to have more security. And if you go to the platform and see their security feature, they are GDPR compliant, HIPAA compliant, SOC and SOC2, and many more. So this is one of the good tools that are present in the market, which you can use to visualize your sensitive data. Coming to its support and ecosystem. So Domo actually has its own community that you can reach out if you end up in an issue while creating the Domo dashboard or creating the data model inside it. It's called Dojo. So if you open this, you'll find 1,000+ active users over here. And they drop their all business use case or the problem that they are facing, and you will able to see if they found the solution for that or not. And then if you have the similar use case, you can apply the same fix. And if you do not find your specific use case or specific problem over here, you can reach out to Domo support as well, and they will reach you out depending on your license type to fix the issue. And even learning Domo is very easy over here. So they already have a lot of resources. So if you go over here, they have a link called Domo University, which you can use, and you can create an account over here. And there are various options over here. Either you can learn Domo in your self-paced training, or if you need an instructor, they provide that as well, which would be virtual instructor led. And if you need in-person training, basically on-site, you can book that as well. And after completing all that, you can do your Domo certification as well. And coming to pricing, to be honest, they are not very open about their pricing. Even if you go to their website, first of all, you will get 30 days free trial where you do not have to give any credit card, and you will be having the full access, unlimited users, onboarding support, self-service education, one training session as well, in order to use Domo and see how it works for your business case. And if you want to go with a license, you need to talk to their sales, and they actually charge you based on the number of users you want to onboard or based on your license type. And the entire pricing is credit based. And at last, I want to show you one of the use case that we have recently completed in order for you to get familiarized with Domo platform. So let me log in to Domo. This is logged in. So this is basically the builder trend dashboard that we have created for one of our customer. And this is the home page where we have all the data for sales, jobs, project management, financial, messaging, miscellaneous. So if I want to see the data on sales, so I just have to click on that. So this is the dashboard that we have made. Basically, this will give me this the status. If I want to slice and dice the data based on one particular status, I can do that. Then I have here salesperson. If I want to see the numbers for a specific sales rep, I can click on this. And this is basically my date filter, which I can use to slice and dice the data. This is lead source distribution. And we do not have any specific data for this. So that's the reason no data in the filtered range. And if I want to see lead by source and conversion, so this is basically is giving me, the number of leads by source. This is open leads by project type. And this is lead activities, lead activity completion. This is conversion percentage by activity type. And if I want to show you some others, so let's go to financial maybe. So maybe let's see purchase orders. So this dashboard is actually giving me the accounting numbers. What is my job name? What is my project duration? And what is my daily allocation in terms of currency? And then what is my job name? What is my PO amount? And what is the due date for that PO amount? And so on. And then we can do conditional formatting as well. And this is all customized. The customer wanted this to be on a table, so we have created the table. And like that, we have created a lot of other dashboards. So this is just a use case. And if you want to see the data behind this, you can maximize this view. Go to the card details. This is the data source that is being used to feed this dashboard. And you can actually see when was the last time that the data was refreshed over here. These are connected cards. This is basically the raw data. And this is the view. So yeah, you can basically create similar data models and similar dashboards. I just showed you one basic dashboard that we have made. And if you want to move to a better BI tool and want to shift to Domo, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you.